Hello, this is Marco from Wheezy.io, and in today's tutorial I'll be walking you through how to create an email template for your reviewers. Now, Form Workflow Plus includes a default template. Of course, workflow creators have the option to set a customized email template for approval emails. In this demo, we'll be working with a day of request workflow. As you can see here, I have the spreadsheet open as well as the Form Workflow Plus sidebar already loaded on the right hand side. And we're currently on the Setup tab. Now, in order for us to set a customized email template, we need to go into the Advanced tab. Scrolling down the advanced section would be the option to change the email template. In order for us to set a customized email template, all we need to do is to click on the plus button to open the email template edit screen. So as you can see here, the default template is automatically loaded, but of course we are free to remove this and then set our customized template. Simply type in the template content, and then here's an important reminder. Make sure to use the tags automatically detected by the add-on. So there's a drop-down menu stating available questions and responses tags. This would list all the detected tags from your worksheet. Make sure to select tags from this list and avoid manually typing them in to make sure that your approval emails would include the necessary fields. Another important note, when you're selecting tags from the available questions and responses tags list, make sure that you're working on a spreadsheet with unique column names. For example, from this list, you can see that there are two columns bearing type as the header name. So what we'll be doing is to exit out of this email template edit screen so that we could fix the header column names. So we're back on the spreadsheet, and as you can see, we have the two columns bearing the same column names. So there are two approaches. We can either add numbers before the column names to make them unique. Another option would be to change the column name to make it entirely unique. And as a last resort, if the column is a duplicate, it can be easily deleted so that all your column headers would be unique. So the idea here is all your column names would need to be unique so that the add-on would not be confused and pull information into your approval emails correctly. Once everything is typed in, the workflow creator has the option to insert the company logo using the insert image tool. So for source, simply type in the image URL as hosted on an image hosting website. Note that your URL should include the file extension type in order for the add-on to read the image and insert it properly. In this case, this is .png, and then once that is inserted into the source field, you can specify dimensions at the lower box. Now that we have our custom template, simply click on Save and select to save everything. I'll be filling up a form to give you an idea of how the approval email would look like when reviewers receive them. There we go. So here's a sample. I'll just display the image here, and as you can see, the company logo is inserted, including the tags that we've inserted earlier in our customized email template. In case you need to make some changes on your email template, just head back to the Advanced tab, scroll down to Email Templates section, and then click on the pencil icon or edit icon. Click on Update and select once you're done to save the changes. And you're all set. So it's that easy to set up customized email templates for your reviewers. Now, in the event that you would like to revert to the default template after making all those changes, simply head back to the Advanced tab, scroll down to the Email Template section, and click on the X button to delete the custom template and revert back to the default. Thank you for joining me today. This is how you create an email template for your reviewers on Form Workflow Plus. Please stay tuned for future video tutorials. Until next time, goodbye.